It's probably going to look just like this, but it needs to get set up before you install it in the cabinet. So the first thing to do is take this lever right here and push it forward all the way until it locks in place, just like that. It may want to snap open, but you want to push it forward and lock it in place. The second step involves what's called the reserve jackpot, this door right here. So this door is going to be just open, but the door has to be behind that little V right here. So this needs to be pushed back. But when you're installing this back into the cabinet, it's really difficult to put it back in without this little part coming forward. So what you need to do is hold this door out of the way with your left hand, and right here push this forward. And you'll see right here you need to push it forward enough and get this back. And the goal is to get this little V-shaped part to go backwards. And once that's done, this door will want to go backwards like that and stay out of the way. While you're putting it in, if you hear it snap forward, that'll happen. And the goal is not to install it with this little V-shaped part on top of this notch here. It has to be behind it. And in order to do that, you have to push this lever forward so this engages that and goes backwards. So when installing it in there, it has to be set up just like this and put into the jackpot compartment with the glass in front of it. Once you're done and it's in there just like that, you're fine. But if this is forward or snapped forward like this, the reserve jackpot won't work.